Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to change profile picture in Spotify application. To update your profile picture on Spotify, first of all, launch open the Spotify app on your mobile device and log into your account if needed. Once you end up in the home screen of Spotify, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, in the expanded menu, click on View Profile. You will then be able to see your profile picture. Simply tap the Edit button right underneath your profile picture. Now click on the pencil icon right underneath your current profile picture. And you can then go ahead and take a photo from your device's camera, choose a photo from your device's gallery, or remove the current photo. To upload your profile picture with a new one, tap on Choose from Library, and you will be taken to your camera roll. Select a new picture from your gallery and adjust a picture within the frame and click on Choose. Right after you do that, you will upload a new profile picture. Click on Save at the top right to save the change, and that's how you easily change your Spotify profile picture. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Enjoy your music with a fresh new look. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.